Hey, what's up guys? Paul Aliquin here, GDI Global Domains International, DevJam.ws. I'm gonna do a quick video here on the system, on the Filipino version. Okay, so basically, I feel like things are about to start happening really soon, and so we gotta get the system in place to make it easy as possible for myself and for everyone. All right, we want to make this as easy as possible. We can't emphasize that enough. You know, easy as possible and as fast as possible. And so the three things that you need to do here: number one, you need to start a Union Bank account, get started with PayPal, and then sign up with GDI. Pretty much you're good to go after that. Okay, so how to get started the Union Bank account: go online, go on Google, go to Union Bank, you know, do a search for Union Bank. Once you're on Union Bank, basically go into the EON portion, which is like the online credit card, the card that allows you to do online transaction. Most importantly, the card that allows you to get started with PayPal. Okay, so do an online application, choose the nearest Union Bank to your home. Okay, and then the next day, the following day, go to Union Bank, and you need three things: two valid IDs and your barangay clearance. Okay, and so fill out the paperwork. It takes about a week to be processed. You can go back, get your card, and you're good to go. Okay, deposit, once again, GDI is $10 a month. In pesos, we're gonna say 500 just to round it off. So 500 a month. For the card, the Union Bank card, it's 350 for the whole year. So basically, that's 850 your first, deposit, investment, whatever you want to call it. And then after that, it's just 500 a month after that. Okay. And so once you get started with that, you could go ahead and get started with PayPal. You know, go to PayPal.com, start an online application, and use your Union Bank account, Union credit card, debit card, to get started with PayPal. And then once you get that verified, it takes about 2 days. You just go to GDI. You go to your sponsor's website, the person who invited you, sponsor, upline, whoever you want to call it, however you want to call it. Go to their website and then sign up for your domain name. And basically, that's it. You're in. Okay. I want to talk to you guys about our goals here. Once again, our goals here is 5 people. Okay. We want to get started with 2 because 2 is enough for us to get in profit mode where you don't have to deposit anymore. Once the system gets going, pretty much it's just profit mode. Okay. And that's where we want to get into. Really easy and really fast. Okay. We don't want to make this complicated. People ask you questions. You know, just sign up. Trust me, it's legit. Okay. Besides that, guys, that's it. You know, I want to make this short, as easy, as fast as possible. 3 things: Union Bank, PayPal, GDI. If you have any questions, email me, Paul Aliquin, DevJam.ws, or just contact me through your upline, and we'll help you. So it's that easy, guys. Paul Aliquin, DevJam.ws, GDI Global Domains International. Keep it easy, and we out.